Do you want to add Made with AI label in Instagram? You can put label as Made with AI in Instagram posts with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add Made with AI label in Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. The Made with AI label on Instagram is a tag that indicates your content is created using AI. This label can be applied to your photo or video posts that are created using AI tools. To add a Made with AI label in your Instagram post, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Now, tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen and select Post. Select the AI-generated photo or video you want to post. After selecting your photo or video, tap Next at the top right of the screen. Add necessary effects, and again tap Next from the top right of the screen. Now, add a caption and tag any relevant friends in your post. Look for the option Label as Made with AI during the sharing process. This option appears below the caption and tag people sections. Enable the toggle button next to Label as Made with AI to indicate that your content was created with the help of AI. Once everything is set, tap Share to publish your post with the AI label. By following these simple steps, you can effectively add a Made with AI label to your Instagram posts.